If your backyard looks flatter than a pancake, you're missing out on nature's wildest construction project, mountains. Mountains aren't just big piles of rocks. They're the result of Earth's most epic forces. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle made of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always on the move, drifting, colliding, sliding past each other. Most mountains form where two plates crash together. When they collide, the edges crumple and fold upwards, kind of like when you push a rug and it wrinkles. The Himalayas? They're still getting taller because the Indian plate is slowly ramming into Asia. But that's not the only way. Some mountains form when plates pull apart, creating gaps where molten rock rises up and cools, building volcanic mountains. Think of Mount Fuji. Think of Mount St. Helens, both built by volcanoes erupting over thousands of years. Sometimes a single plate just gets stretched and cracks, lifting big chunks of land to create block mountains, like the Sierra Nevada in California. No matter how they form, mountains take millions of years to grow. They're shaped by rain, wind, and ice too, slowly carving out sharp peaks and deep valleys. So next time you spot a mountain, just think. You're looking at Earth's slow-motion masterpiece, millions of years in the making. And yes, the ground beneath your feet is moving too, just really, really slowly.